everybody, how are we doing? Yes, I am back, and as you've seen from the title, it is gonna be a Christmas party makeup look. Yes. Okay, it's December. Let's be honest, we're not gonna party this year. No, we're not. Why am I doing this video? No, I wanna do something a little bit different that I have done before. So I'm gonna do a bit more hollow eye kind of look. Don't judge me if I'm not gonna be a good, but I am not a professional makeup artist. We are learning here. I am learning, you are learning. So yeah, so I have decided to do a video and a makeup look for Christmas party at home. Yes, because that's what we're gonna do. Okie dokie. So I'm gonna start with priming my eyes with my painted lip pot and a eyeshadow brush. Why I like eyeshadow brushes? To apply my eye primer, because it does go everywhere where I need it to go, to be quite honest. And I don't see why not. And because with the fingers it just slides off because of your heat from the fingers, so I don't like that. And I'm starting with my eyes because it's gonna be a lot, I think. Well, I hope. Well, not I hope, but I think it's going to be a lot. So I prime my eyelids, and I am now going into with a conspiracy palette. I used 2 palettes like this year. I'm determined to use just 2 palettes this year because I don't know, it's not that many palettes excites me this time. Right, okay, so I'm gonna go with a Diet Root Beer with a flat brush. Like that. And I'm gonna go on the outer corner of my eye. Just tap it in. Like that, do you see? I hope you can see. I'm trying something a bit different with my phone this time. So yeah. So tap that in, grab a little bit more. Tap, tap. And just build it up as you want, as dark as you want. We're gonna blend it out, so don't worry about that. That really reminds me like of a Nikki tutorial. She always does that. Okay, now I'm going to go into a inner corner of my eye. Like this. Looking promising. So yeah, just build it up a little bit of that color there. So I'm leaving the middle part a clear because I'm gonna apply a glitter shadow in there. Okay, so I'm gonna blend a little bit. So just with a nice brush, blending brush, clean one, I'm just gonna blend a little bit. It's kind of a little bit of a connection between them shadows. I'm gonna clear that up anyway, but I just wanna to have a nice kind of nice oval shape at the top, you know. You always you can go back and apply more shadow to just build that color, you know. I just want any harsh lines to it. It doesn't look bad. Okay, let's do another eye. Second eye. This is the step now that I want to take. So I am taking the same brush that I applied a eye primer, taking my same Paint Lily pot, just dip it in and just clear out a center of the lid. It's kind of a cut crease, but it's very soft, so you know, anyone can do it. If I can do it, you can do it, honestly. This is really simple. And you see how clear is this now, because we blended into the center. So we need this clean, lovely space on our eyelids. And you can leave as much of space as you want. You can leave a little bit, you can leave a lot, because we're gonna blend a little bit more after we apply other shadow. I am happy with this, with my clean space. Now I have to decide which glitter do I want to use. And that is a lot of glitters in here. I am not really, I know which one. I'm gonna use Just a Theory. So I'm just gonna take a flat brush. It says Hard and Sleek. Just a flat brush, and I'm gonna go in Just a Theory. You can do with the fingers if you want. I'm just gonna go in to that space that we just applied, we cleaned up, not applied. Oh, this is gorgeous. Can go up to the top. It's your choice. You can go any way you want. It's your choice. Isn't this beautiful? I love it. Okay. And another eye. The brush is actually not even wet. And that's how beautiful this is. I love it. I actually really do love it. It does look weird at the moment because, you know, we haven't blended anything in yet. Okay, now, where's my blending brush? There we go. So now I'm gonna just blend it a little bit more into this middle part. So just grab a little, just a tiny little bit of, what was it? Diet root beer. And just deepen up a little bit this bits. And just blending in. Just blending in. You can go deeper or you can go lighter as you want. Well, we're doing a party makeup here, so let's do a little bit deeper. If you're happy with your blending, I'm gonna go and take a little bit more pop in of a color, and I just place on here, just literally like right here on by the lash line, just to pop out. Pop, pop, pop. And that is it. So when your eyeshadow is done, I'm just gonna go with Charlotte Tilbury, the Feline Flick eyeliner, just a little bit, just. Done. Okay, let's go with eyebrows. I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows using the same as I use always, Rival the Loop Define and Fill Cozy Brush Eyebrow Pen. Just a touch. Okay, so let's go to my face. I'm gonna use L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation and Hourglass stick. Always Laura Mercier powder. Don't really want this video to be 3 hours long, so that's why I'm doing a little bit faster. I like how straight these lines are. Love it. Didn't do it on purpose. Face is done. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna do my under eyes now. Gonna go with the same brown eyeshadow. Lovely. And mascara, of course, Lash Paradise. Love this mascara. I'm not gonna use any eyelashes because I don't use false eyelashes. I'm gonna go again with a wrench and I'm gonna pop in that into my tear duct area. There you go. This is how something in my eye, great. So most of it is done. I'm really proud of it. Now the lips. So I'm gonna use a Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat in Pillow Talk liner, and I love it. I love it. Now I'm gonna use a Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream from Sleek. That's my favorite in color French Fancy. Ooh, it's lovely pinkish color. It's matte, it's gorgeous. It's enough. One coat is enough. I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, I'm gonna put that same ranch on my Cupid's bow. God, I love it. Okay, so if you want, you can leave it like that. I want a little bit my lips to look juicier, so I'm gonna use the Dior. Oh my God, what Dior lipstick in shade Stella Shine. It's pinkyish. It's like, it looks very pretty. So this is done. My look is done. I honestly, I am so proud of it. I feel absolutely fancy. Yes, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What is your plans for Christmas? My plans are be at home and spend Christmas with my boyfriend because I can't travel to see my family, and it's gonna be quite interesting. So yeah, so I'm gonna be at home. There is gonna be a giveaway this month before Christmas, so stay tuned for that. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you're having a good weekend. Subscribe, give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I always reply to comments and I read all of your comments, and I really, really am happy that people are commenting, and I'm loving it. You know, there's something in my eye. I'm gonna go get it out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.